Hi everyone. Today the topic is fugacity and fugacity coefficient for pure spaces. So the application of equilibrium criteria is facilitated by introduction of the fugacity term. For pure spaces I in the ideal gas state, the equation is Ga is equal to gamma I of T plus RT ln P. For a real fluid, the equation can be written as Ga is equal to gamma I of T plus RT ln Fi. So here pressure is replaced by a new property Fi which has units of pressure. So this equation serves as a partial definition of Fi which is called the fugacity of pure species I. So Fi is the term which indicates the fugacity of pure species I. So subtracting the above two equations, Gi minus Giig is equal to RT ln Fi by P. So here Gi minus Giig is the residual Gibbs energy, GIR. So the dimensionless ratio Fi by P is a new property called the fugacity coefficient and it is given by the symbol phi I. So here Gi residual is equal to RT ln phi I where phi I is equal to Fi by P. So phi I is fugacity coefficient, Fi is fugacity and P is the pressure. So in this way we can define the fugacity as well as fugacity coefficient. So these terms are very important in thermodynamics. So the ideal gas state fugacity of pure species I is equal to its pressure. That means Fiig is equal to P. For special case of ideal gas, Gi residual is equal to 0. When this becomes 0, phi I becomes equal to 1. So the identification of ln phi I with GIR by RT gives another equation. That is ln phi I is equal to integral 0 to P Zi minus 1 into dP by T. So fugacity coefficients for pure species are evaluated by this equation from PVT data or from an equation of state. Here compressibility factor is given by Zi minus 1 is equal to BII into P by RT. So here the second variable coefficient BII is a function of temperature only for the pure species. Then the equation can be written as ln phi I is equal to BII by RT integral 0 to P dP. Again ln phi I is equal to BII into P by RT when you make the integration. So fugacity of pure species I written for the species I as saturated vapor, we can write the equation as GIV is equal to gamma I of T plus RT ln Fi power V. Similarly, fugacity of species I as a saturated liquid, the equation can be written as Gi of liquid is equal to gamma I of T plus RT ln Fi power L. So by making the difference, Gi power V minus Gi power L is equal to RT ln Fi power V by Fi power L. This equation is applicable to the change of state from saturated liquid to saturated vapor, both at temperature T and at vapor pressure Pi sat. So here Gi power V minus Gi power L becomes equal to 0. Then Fi power V is equal to Fi power L, which is equal to Fi sat. So here Fi sat indicates the value for either saturated liquid or saturated vapor. The corresponding fugacity coefficient for the saturation is given by phi I sat is equal to Fi, Fi sat by Pi sat. Hence, phi I power V is equal to phi I power L, which is equal to phi I sat. Since coexisting phases of saturated liquid and saturated vapor are in equilibrium, the equality of fugacities is a criteria of vapor-liquid equilibrium for pure species. So you can give you an equation how to prove the fugacities as a criteria of vapor-liquid equilibrium. For that, you have to prove this equation. Phi I power V is equal to phi I power L, which is equal to phi I sat. Then, the calculation of fugacity for species I as a compressed liquid is done in two steps. First one, calculate the fugacity coefficient of saturated vapor, that is phi I power V is equal to phi I sat by an integrated form of equation ln phi I. Then Fi power L is equal to Fi sat, which is equal to phi I sat into Pi sat. The second step is the evaluation of change in fugacity of liquid with an increase in pressure above Pi sat. So for an isothermal change of state from saturated liquid to compressed liquid at pressure P, equation for Gi is Gi minus Gi sat is equal to integral Pi sat to P into Vi dP. Another expression for Ga minus Ga sat is Ga minus Ga sat is equal to RT ln Fi by Fi sat. So equating the two expressions for Ga minus Ga sat, ln Fi by Fi sat is equal to 1 by RT integral Pi sat to P into Vi dP. So here Vi is constant at the value for saturated liquid Vi power L. So ln Fi by Fi sat is equal to VIL into P minus Pi sat by RT. So substituting Fi sat is equal to phi I sat into Pi sat and solving for Fi gives the equation as Fi is equal to phi I sat into Pi sat into exponential of VIL into P minus Pi sat by RT. This exponential is known as the Poynting factor. So this is the today's topic. If you like my description, please subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thank you very much.